I'll tell you 5 tips today to come out of PCOS and PCOD and the problems generally you people face coming out of it. So the tip number 1, that is, I see a lot of comments in my videos that you people generally get periods easily while practicing my yoga exercises and diet, and sometimes I can say it's a miracle only that you people get results in 4 or 5 days only. Then that does not mean that you should not exercise after that. So the people or the females generally make a trend that they exercise for 4 or 5 days and then expect the periods to happen. Let me tell you, it won't happen. PCOS, PCOD, hormonal imbalance, that is a problem of lifestyle. So you need to exercise and have a strict diet on the regular basis. I keep updating you on diet, I keep updating you on exercises. You can join my classes also. So do not leave that. Just do not practice during periods. Other than that, you can practice every day. Tip number 2, a lot of people are generally confused that they should exercise after ovulation or implantation days or not. So let me tell you, there is no harm in exercising after ovulation or after implantation. You can exercise as normal, just do not practice during the periods. There is no harm in it. Actually, it will affect on the positive side only. I made a video that how to get pregnant with the help of yoga. You should follow that video after implantation or after ovulation days. Tip number 3, that is diet. Believe me, you guys, that diet is really very important. What happens, a lot of females message me that it is necessary to us to eat outside a few times in a month, that we cannot leave sugar, we cannot leave dairy products, such things. So if you're looking for an easy way out, I am sorry, I don't have any solution for you. You need to be very strict with exercise. You need to do it every day. Be you are busy, that you're going out somewhere, you need to exercise. Take out some time, at least half an hour. And diet is also very important. A few tips, like junk food needs to be avoided, milk products, dairy products, sugar, soft drinks, such things should be avoided for sure. Then only the exercise and diet will help you out. Tip number 4, that is regarding stress to have periods. I don't know why you people are so stressed to get periods on time. I know it is very important. But what happens, if you are taking stress, that makes the things further worse. And remember, periods on time is important. But if you are taking contraceptives for that, if you are taking hormonal pills to get periods in time, they have a lot of side effects. It will take your weight on a higher side, it will make you lethargic, it will take you on a ride that you need to take medicines all the time. So there is no alternate to exercise and diet. I am telling you again and again, be regular, have patience, slowly, gradually you will start getting the results. And do not go if you are exercising and taking diet, if you are getting periods on time 2-3 times, do not leave exercise and diet. That is very important for longer terms. At least you need to exercise and diet till you have a baby in your life. Tip number 5, that is hurry to conceive. I don't know that why you people are so much in hurry in conceiving. I know it's important, but if you're watching this video, that means you have PCOS or PCOD or hormonal imbalance or maybe endometriosis or some different type of reproductive problems. But believe you me, if you have already cyst in your ovaries, so that is already been filled, and if there is thickness in the uterine lining, or the uterine lining is thin, that is endometriosis, so that is always risky to conceive. So first of all, take a target of 4 to 6 months, exercise, diet, take the cyst out from your system, and then conceive and go for a healthy pregnancy. Clean ovaries, that I mean that without cyst, and a healthy uterus will always take you a smooth pregnancy journey. You won't have complications, there won't be a chance of miscarriage or abortion. So have patience, stay out of stress, and do the things in the right way. At the end, I will suggest you, if you're messaging me, if you want to consult with me, you're most welcome to do that in the comment section, or you can WhatsApp me. I'll share my WhatsApp number in the description. But please only message, do not call me, because most of the times I am taking classes, so I cannot take your calls. Messaging is easy way. I'll reply you whenever I get time. And the tip for messaging, do not just send hi and wait for my answer. Send a big message, like your complete problems, your all questions should be there in one message at one time. So that means that I'll reply all of them in one go. That will be an easier way for me, for you also. Do not hesitate to comment in the comment section. If you want to ask anything else, feel free. I am available all the time. Please like, subscribe the channel if you haven't done till now, and press the bell icon to get all the notifications of my new and upcoming videos. Thank you so much.